Alright, or rather fast. I would suggest that you download this video wherever you get it from and save it and view it several times. I assume that you have a map source document open now and you're going to add files to this and make a master file. I want to go up here to the file and say File Open. Go to that file database where you save those GPX files and click Flying J. This will add 154 files to your database. Click one, come up to the edit menu, say select all, right click and go to waypoint properties. This will send you to this dialog. Designate truck stops. Come up here, and by the way, these icons exactly match those that are on your 7200, and I suggest that you use, when you save a favorite on the 7200, that you remember the icons that you use, because when you re-import these back in the map source, it'd be nice to sort these things by icon. For Flying J's, I've been using this icon here. Now say OK, and as you can see, it converted 154 files, Flying J icons, and they are designated as truck stops. Come up here and say File, Save As, and save this as your master file. That is your master map source file. Save it. Now come up here and say File, Open. This time click Independent Truck Stops. It will bring in 767 independent truck stops. Click one, edit, select all, and this will take a couple minutes for it to select it all. But once it does, right click, waypoint properties, come back over here and call these independents, or better yet, truck stops. And what I've been using is this icon here, the little parking symbol. Now what you've done is you converted 767 files with a parking symbol. Those are independent truck stops, and you designated them as truck stops. Click, you got to come back here and say OK. Right click, copy, file, open, go to your master database, open it. It's going to ask you if you want to save it. No. Click one thing, come up here and say edit, paste, and what you've done is added 921 files to your master database. That's the Flying J's and the independent truck stops. Go up here and file. You're going to save the map source file, and now you can go back and go to each of the GPX files and use I just used to add all these files. In the end, you'll have around 4,200 files. Okay, hopefully you can get through this. Like I said, save the file. Hopefully you have real player so that you can review this and go back and do it again.